Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a video in here for our green group. Really excited about it, and I hope that you're going to enjoy it as well as sort of find it motivational, useful. I want it to be a experience in this group where it's not a group led by myself. It's led by all of us, so we can brainstorm. I can put my experience of the different promotions in, what I find works for me, and you can do the same. What you found works for you as well. But what I wanted to do firstly was to change it up a bit. Now I try and do the 5-3 formula each month to maintain my green and above, and I find it really works for me. But as we're approaching green, from white to green, you need to get into the habit of being that leader, setting the example. So instead of the 5-3 formula, this is just for us, and you can pass it on to your teamies as well if you want to, but the 5-3 formula really works, so I'd stick with that for your teamies. But for us, I'd like to make a new formula, which is the 1002. So it's 1000 PRS and 2 teamies. Now hopefully you've sort of set your level around 750, which is quite achievable. Now 1000 will be the difference between pink to blue to green, because you're putting it in yourself. So if you get into that habit of aiming higher, then that example will follow through your team. Now if we aim for 2 recruits each month, then that means normally 1 in 10 people join. So really we should only have to contact 20 people, but we know that it doesn't always work like that. So instead of aiming for 3, let's aim for 2, and we'll see how we get on. So I think you can all do it. Completely believe in you all. And we're going to do sponsoring for the first 2 weeks of April, and then we're going to do products. So obviously still do your attraction marketing posts, still do your product posts in your group, but for the first 2 weeks the tasks in the group will be set around sponsoring. So if you've got any questions, let me know, but we're going to completely smash this. And some of you are closer to the green than others. Some of you have got a further way to go than others, which is fine, but this group is designed for everyone. So each level you can still do the tasks, and maybe you'd get there quicker than you would, or you can take it at your own pace. But you've asked to be in this group because you want to go to green, and that's when the real magic happens. Believe me, it's amazing. So let's get a wiggle on. Think in your head. So you've written down your goals for the following months ahead. Now we've got to break it down, and that will be the task to do tomorrow. So I hope that will make sense. I just wanted to do a quick hello. I'll speak to you all anyway, but yeah, so let's do that 1002, not 5-3, 1-2. So we'll call it the 1-2. Okay, bye.